Good morning, students. लगा लीजिए। I am going to start chapter 2, New Kings and Kingdom. I have written some exercise in previous video, true, false, fill and matching. And now I am going to start exercise D. Give one word for following. Write one word for following. Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Gori clashed twice at this place, Tarain in Haryana. Second sentence. This opened the gates of Muslim rule in India. This opened gate of Muslim rule in India. Muhammad Gori. Third sentence. The noble who controlled the agricultural land and enjoy also the institutional power, feudatories. Fourth sentence. The temple of Shiv was built and destroyed thrice. The temple of Shiv was built and destroyed thrice. सोमनाथ, यह टेम्पल शिव का बनाया गया और 3 बार डिस्ट्रॉय हुआ, नष्ट हुआ। सोमनाथ। फिफ्थ सेंटेंस। ए फॉरेन विजिटर हु वाज ग्रेट स्कॉलर, मैथमेटिशियन एंड एस्ट्रोनॉमर। फॉरेन विजिटर, अल बेरोइन। एक्सरसाइज ई वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नेम द 3 मेजर किंगडम which were involved in the struggle to capture Kannauj. Name the 3 major kingdom which were involved in the struggle to capture Kannauj. 3 major kingdom, प्रतिहर्ष, राष्ट्रकूट और पाल। Second question, write about King Bhoj as a renowned king of the Pratihar dynasty. King Bhoj conquered Kannauj, कनौज को जीता and made it his capital, वह अपनी कैपिटल बनाया, राजधानी बनाया। He had a great interest in the art and literature. उसका आर्ट में, लिटरेचर में बड़ा इंटरेस्ट था। ही वॉज डिवोटी ऑफ द लॉर्ड विष्णु, वह लॉर्ड विष्णु का डिवोटी था, भक्त था। नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन, now see the third question. Name the 4 class of the Rajput which considered themselves to be a part of the fire family. फायर फैमिली से संबंधित राजपूतों का 4 क्लास लिखना है। The 4 class of the राजपूत: प्रतिहर्ष, चौहान, Solankis and Parmars belong to the fire family. Fourth question, how was Turkish rule established in India? How was Turkish rule established in India? Turkish occupied this small kingdom of Rajput and built a large empire. The Turks were interested in the wealth and riches of India. So their invasions started. Last question of E. What kind of information does the book Turkish Hind give? किस तरह का इंफॉर्मेशन हिंद तुर्किश ई हिंद दिस बुक गिव अस वेरियस इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द रेयर फैक्ट्स ऑफ इंडियन सोसाइटी and then detailed account the condition of the people in India. Now for the further questions I will write in our next videos on the next day. Write this and complete your notebook and learn also at the home. Thank you very much.